everyone, it's Melody with Design by Melody. I'm here with a new unboxing for you. So this is my May 2018 kit that I will be reviewing for you. And it is the Make a Pretty Life kit. So I'm going to go through all the details. This is the lovely pile of goodies, but I'm going to slide that to the side. And I'm going to tell you a little bit about this kit. So if you're unfamiliar with me, I am Melody with Design by Melody, and I have a YouTube channel where I do kit review. I have a kit review series, which is what this is a part of, but I also do process videos for other scrapbooking as well. I also do hauls and giveaways and things like that, so make sure you subscribe if you're not already and like that kind of thing. But this is my May 2018 kit that I will be reviewing, and I'm going to share the unboxing with you today as well as all the details of this kit. Now, if you want to download this document as well as any of the other kits that I've reviewed in the past, make sure you click on the link in the description box below for the resource guide, because that's what this is. Now, this is just the beginning, so it's only partially filled out, but I will fill this out throughout the month as or throughout the next couple weeks as I use this kit, and then you'll be able to have all the full details at the end of the kit review. So, this kit is called Make a Pretty Life, and it is actually, so Jody is the shop owner, and she's also the owner. She's the one who started Fancy Pants Design. So as you will see, a lot of the supplies in here are from Fancy Pants, and the shipping also says Fancy Pants, but I thought that was really cool. I did not realize that Jody was also Fancy Pants whenever I originally ordered this kit, so I found that really interesting. I do have all the details. It's www.makeaprettylife.com. It's a curated pretty paper and planner kit is what it's advertised as. Now, I was looking through a couple of the kits. This is very, very new. It just started in 2018, and so far, she's kind of still in the developing part of this kit. It's changed a little bit over the last few months, and I'll kind of go through that. But so far, from all the kits that I've really looked at, there are not 12 by 12 papers. Now, that may change with the changes that she's about to do in June. But for right now, it looks like it's mostly 6 by 6 papers. So I wouldn't say this is necessarily a 12 by 12 scrapbooking kit, but I do believe you could definitely use this in 12 by 12 pages. There are a lot of elements in this kit, so you will see in just a moment. All right, now it is a bi-monthly kit, so this is part of the changes. So I purchased this kit in April to have the May kit. It was a monthly kit, but starting in June 2018, which is like right around the corner, she is actually doing a bi-monthly kit. So you will get a kit every other month. And so the subscription works, the way that this subscription works is that it's a bi-monthly kit with a 3-month minimum. So which is basically a 6-month term because you're getting a kit every other month. So if you do subscribe, there's a 3-month minimum, like I said, and make sure you read all the details and everything when you subscribe because it's a ongoing kit and it will not stop until you officially cancel it, but you have to at least be in there for 3 months in order to not have to pay a cancellation fee. So if you're in the US, it's $29.99 if you subscribe, plus $8 shipping, which makes your kit $37.99. Now I did the single month purchase, and for the May kit, it was $36.99 plus the $8 shipping. So you basically kind of save your shipping if you subscribe. International kits, again, it's a bi-monthly kit, 3-month minimum. It's $49.99 for each kit, plus $8 shipping, so it's about $57.99. Now this may change because the international shipping, now that's been a 3-month kind of thing, but these details may change slightly just because she's kind of in the process of transitioning from one kit, like a monthly kit to a bi-monthly kit. So really keep an eye on this, and I will update this throughout the month, or I keep saying month, throughout my time working with this kit, especially if there's more details released on the website. And I did contact her just to make sure, because at first I only saw the single months. I couldn't find the subscription, but it is in there. It was just older. I was looking at the new release stuff. So shipping is $8 flat in the US, and this is for anything in her shop. International, I didn't find any like a flat shipping for international, but I do know that the shipping for the kit for international was $8. The release date's around the 10th of the month, and it ships between the 15th and the 20th. I don't have the contents listed. We'll go through that though. The kit options, like I said, if the kit is transitioning to a bi-monthly kit in June 2018 for US and international. But what's different is the June kit, Jody told me this, and I don't know if this is for every kit that she releases or just because it's the new kit for June. Everything that's in the June's kit is new, brand new product, things that have been unreleased. And since she is the owner of Fancy Pants, it's going to be Fancy Pants unreleased products, which is really, really cool. So you get like the first time purchase, I suppose, of a new collection, which is really, really fun. I haven't seen any pictures or anything yet of the June one. I know it's already been released because I'm working with the May one, but it's just something to kind of keep in mind. And then other notes, the shop has a ton of things for you to purchase in addition to the kits, as well as a lot of home decor items, which again is something a little bit more unique. Not every scrapbooking store has a lot of home decor items, and her shop does. So make sure you go look at those while you're there. And then I just have a note about Jody's the owner, who's also the owner of Fancy Pants. So let's see what came in our kit. Okay. I have my little bin here. I'm going to open packages as we go and kind of throw them in here. Get my scissors. Okay. So first you get these little cards. And it says, guess what? You're the best. Only the best of the best for our customers. Variety, style, and class in every box. Making life pretty one box at a time. Thank you. We hope you love your order, but if you have any questions or concerns, just email us at service@makeaprettylife.com. I really like these. I like these to kind of work into my Project Life pages too. You get a little mint, which is kind of cute. So I'll put that to the side. All right, so let's just kind of see what we have. There's a pencil. You've got a binder clip. This is definitely more than just your scrapbooking. And you also have like a little mini clothespin. This is more than just your basic scrapbooking. It's like I said, it was advertised as a pretty paper and planner kit. You get a lot of different things. We have an Insta album here. It's a Fancy Pants Insta album. It says chipboard cover and back cover, 10 photo sheets, and 4 binder rings. Now this might be really fun to make a mini album from our beach trip. Let's just open this up. I think it's kind of fun to have kits that are a little bit more versatile because you can use them for other things. Like, I love to scrapbook, but I always have other projects going on too. Oops, upside down. There you go. Oh, that's cute. And it opens from this side. So, maybe, oh yeah, they're just stuck together. My pages are stuck together from where the holes were punched, so that'll take a little bit of finesse to kind of separate those, but I'll get that taken care of. It just looks like they kind of stuck together in the punching process, so I'll get all of that taken care of. But there's 10 pages in there with the binder rings. So I find binder rings a little bit difficult to work with when you're working with an album. But hopefully once it fills up, it'll be a lot easier to kind of turn and use. So there's the Insta album. I think it'd be kind of fun to cut out that camera and use it as an embellishment. So I'm going to leave that in there. You get some washi tape. This is from the Millie and June collection. It's the Aqua Geo washi tape. Maybe. When it's quiet in my room, you can actually hear the clock ticking. I got this clock at Kirkland's the other day. Well, like around Mother's Day. I guess it was for Mother's Day, to be honest with you. And I love it. It's a little bicycle. It's a little like wrought iron bicycle, and the clock is in the wheel, which is super cute. Alright, so here's the washi tape. Maybe. This kit has been sitting in my craft room for a good 3 weeks. Just haven't had a chance to work with it yet. There you go. Oh, that is beautiful. It actually looks more green here, but when you actually pull it out, it's very, very pretty. It's definitely an aqua color. You get a pocket, like an adhesive pocket. We have silicone topped paper clips, the poolside collection. I like to take all the packages out, that way when I'm ready to work with it, it's easy. Actually, I'm just going to take these off. There's 3 of them. They do just pop out. Oh no, they don't actually pop out. Okay, they do not pop out. I thought they did. But that still might be fun to kind of clip into a page. You've got a little floaty, pool, and a splash. Got a doily here, just a white doily. Get some white and silver baker's twine. Really good amount of it too. Got a wood veneer anchor. We've got the Fancy Pants poolside 6x6 paper pad, and it's 2 sheets, each of 12 designs. I think it's fun that you get the whole 6x6 pad, whereas a lot of kits you'd only get half of a pad or just a couple samplings from the pad. So it's kind of nice to get the whole 6x6 pad. All right. And these are 60-pound cardstock papers. They are single-sided, as you can see. It's really a fun mix of graphic designs like that, which are just fish, repeating patterns. There's more of a, like, looks like Tetris to me. Suns, waves. Then they got the leaves again. Pretty. So 6x6 paper pad. You also get this. Oops, that has stuff in it. I didn't realize there were things in here. As you can see, there's a lot of little bits kind of floating around in this kit. You get this DIY plain linen sack. I'm not sure what in the world I'll do with this, but same thing, just like that little album, you get a couple things that are pretty versatile that you can use for different things. That would be really pretty to decorate for a gift. You also get a tassel ribbon here. Looks like you get 12 inches of it, or almost 12 inches. You get a white and pink baker's twine. We've got another little clothespin. This is more of a coral. Have a couple resin things here. We've got some flowers and a little frame. Also have a felt pennant, sorry. And it says it's called Anchor. And it gives you a couple examples of how they've used it. They've used it to decorate a ribbon, front of an album, decorate a cake, put into a plant, or on a scrapbook page. I like being able to see how it's used. Let's take it out, that way we can use it. Here we go. We also have some amazing die cuts here. So this is the Fancy Pants poolside collection. A lot of these items are from the poolside collection. Ephemera pack, so I'm just going to kind of dump it out. We're not going to go through every little bit. You're going to see the bits as I scrapbook with them. Does it say how many pieces? No. Does not say how many pieces, but look, you get a mix of larger as well as little tiny bits. A really good mix of words, icons, people. I like the little fish swim, leaves, little floaties. I love the little people jumping in. Those are cute. So I'm going to throw this in our little bucket here. Sunglasses. I have a ton of pictures that came out at the pool here recently. If you follow me on Instagram, you would have seen a lot of those. I've been trying to post, oh, look at that. I've been trying to post quite frequently. All right, we have a glassine bag with some goodies in it. Let's see what we have in here. So, of course, you've got your bag itself, which I always use as embellishments. What are those? I have no idea what these are. What are these? They look like the middle of flowers. I'm not sure what this is. I'll have to look to see if it listed on the website. But you've got yellow and blue little, like, pearl looking things. They look like little, like the center of a flower. You get another little gray resin flower, a really wide strip of ribbon. This is bigger than 12 by 12, but that's pretty. You get some of these little pom-poms. We've got 3 bright pink and 3 pale pink. Got some buttons, 2 pink and 2 blue, or 2 aqua. Got a patch or a badge, however you want to say. There's another one of these little pockets. Looks like part of the things had fallen out of that little bag when it was in my package. Got an old school looking bingo card and a flash card. Got a whole collection here of crepe paper. We've got yellow, dark blue, and light blue, plus a navy clip. Got 2 wood veneer tags here with the ribbon. And then we've got this bit of mesh here. Really long bit of pink mesh. And then we've got 2 packages here. We've got puffy stickers from the Poolside collection again. And then chipboard stickers from the Poolside collection. So, oops, I lost a wave. That is the entire kit. Please let me know what you think of this. I'm excited to work with it. This kit was packed with stuff, like packed. And I feel like here recently, since our pool opened about 2 weeks ago, I guess, I really have a great opportunity to be able to use a lot of these supplies. I just need to go ahead and print some pictures so I can start working with them. I hope you guys have enjoyed this. Please let me know if you have any questions whatsoever, and make sure you go check out that resource guide so you can get all the details about this kit, as well as all the others that I have reviewed in the past. All right, guys, thank you so much. I'll be back soon. Bye.